Hey guys! Today, we are going to draw and color a beautiful butterfly. Grab your pen, and let's start with a small circle for the head. Now, let's draw an oval shape right below the head for the body. Don't forget to add 2 cute curly antennae on top. Next, let's draw the big upper wings on both sides. Make them nice and wide. Looks, she looked the drawing. So cute looking. Let's add the smaller wings at the bottom. Then, draw some simple circles inside the wings for the patterns. Finally, a cute little smile on the face. We are going to color this super cute butterfly. Let's make it bright and beautiful. For the butterfly's body and its cute little face, a soft sky blue is absolutely perfect. First, let's grab a bright yellow color for the big upper wings. Look how cheerful it looks already. Now, for the details inside, I'm using purple and a touch of vibrant pink to make it pop. Next, let's paint the lower wings with a fresh green and add some warm orange in the middle. And we are done. Our colorful butterfly is ready. If you liked this video, don't forget to hit follow and subscribe for more drawing fun. See ya!